Hello pretty people. So today I am back and I am going to be playing with some products that I bought from the Colourpop Disney Designer Collection. Now I have it's a Princess Thing palette and I have a Super Shock shadow in Almost There. So it's a Tiarna, but it's a Princess and the Frog reference. I had the intention to buy the Belle lipstick and the Tiarna lipstick because they are gorgeous colours. The Belle lipstick kind of reminds me of probably kind of like this colour. It's gorgeous. This is Baroque from Australis. You can see how well loved it is. And the Tiarna lipstick is a gorgeous burgundy. Anyway, but I am going to use some eyeshadows today and I'm really looking forward to it. I am going to show you what this looks like. I might do a quick swatch actually. That's what the cover looks like. I've seen a few reviews online. It seems to be pretty good. I do like Colourpop's palettes. I have the Double Entendre palette and I use it all the time. So you can see these have a fair dent in them. There's amazing shadows. So I have had the Super Shock shadows before, but I thought I'd give it a go again. I think I got rid of them because I just wasn't into them, but probably because I couldn't make it work. I'm just finding new ways to get it to work. At least I'm on camera, I can destroy the box now. There you go. This is difficult to open. So I do wonder though if it's just a shimmer shadow with the glitter overspray, because I hate it when they do that. And it's got a castle on the lid, which is really pretty. Yeah, this is Almost There. Yes, Disney Designer Collection it's called. But yeah, the whole Colourpop is really good for what they are, and they're so inexpensive. Like I think that's the price point. That the price point is a major deal. So anyway, I am going to go ahead and put on some face products before I begin, and I'll be right back. Okay. So, brushes at the ready. I'm going to turn my mobile data off so I don't get any notifications and doesn't vibrate on me when I'm working. You know what, I am going to try and swatch this Almost There shadow. That is quite nice. And as far as I can see, it's not just a, oh, you know what, I just noticed. I hold it like that. It's kind of got like a bit of a goldy shimmer. Like there's obviously the brown and the glitter, but then you turn it some directions and it's got a nice gold shimmer. I quite like that. I'm going to just grab some wipes so I don't get all over myself. Actually, no. I said I would swatch that, but it's just going to take way too much time. I think I'm just going to talk them through as I do my makeup. So basically I had to do some colour correcting because if you remember in my Titanic video, I had pretty awful skin and it hasn't subsided whatsoever. So I had to do some colour. So I've got prime. This is the Time to Prime from Sports Girl. Then I put down some DB colour correcting concealer in my INGLOT White and Cream foundation, which is my Holy Grail ultimate foundation. Then under the eyes I have this is the Wake Me Up concealer from Rimmel. And then I do have some cream blush on the cheeks, and that's the Ulta 3 lip and cheek tint in nude. And I'm actually loving cheek tint, like cheek blush. I do add a little bit of blush extra later in powder form, but I'm loving cheek blush during the day. And then I have some Natio powder underneath my eyes to catch any fallout, and my Soft Doker paint pot as my primer. And then to set any, like, the primer above, I use this Natio. It's seen better days because I often put my lashes to dry on top, so that's what that mess is. But anyway, I am going to start playing. Yes, so this is the Disney Designer Collection from Colourpop, the It's a Princess Thing palette. Now we have, I'm just going to, some signatures from the princesses. So we have Chip, Juju, Grumpy, Triton, Abu, Prince Charming, Ray, Fairy Godmother, One Kiss, Thingamabob, Enchanted Rose, Poison Apple, Magic Carpet, Beast, and Magic Carpet. I remember watching Kathleen Lights do her video on this on this collection, and she just did whatever. So I'm going to do just whatever, but I am going to use most of the top row for my base. So I'm going to start with Chip, and it doesn't really bother me that there's not going to be much pigment in this particular shadow. I can zoom in ever so slightly. What am I talking about? And then I'm not going to go to Juju, I'm going to go to Grumpy. It's a little bit more neutral. And then I'm going to take Triton. Now, nowadays I quite like to lift my head and put it above my crease instead of into my crease. I'm kind of making new crease. Now, I'm going to take a smaller brush and start taking that along the lower lash line. I'm going to take Grumpy. I'm going to take Triton. I'm going to extend that out, and then I'm going to take Triton again and kind of, you know what, I'm going to take that up and I'm going to lift that, and then I'm going to use Abu, and I'm probably going to go back in with Abu after, just to do more of the crease once the shimmers are down. Okay, now, deciding what to do now, because I'm really in love with that Enchanted Rose shade. I think Enchanted Rose and One Kiss are very complementary. Okay, so I'm going to take Enchanted Rose because I was just drawn to that colour and because it's a Beauty and the Beast reference. But we don't talk about that. As my dress, as you would have seen when I stood up, which you've probably seen before if you've known me for a while. It was either that or the Dan shirt, but I just have to go with the dress. So I'm spraying that down. And my goodness, that is beautiful. I'm kind of really into that. I would wear that out. Now there is some kickback in the palette, but that's expected for a really, really shimmery shadow. And quite pigmented shadows. Oh, I could wear that on its own. I'm going to take that right directly underneath it. Okay. Okay, I'm going to take a small brush. And I'm going to take Magic Carpet. And bring it along the lower lash line. And I think inwards I'm going to take Beast. There's some fallout, that's why I've got powder down. And then I'm going to take some Beast, kind of in the outer, actually you know what, I do like that, but I'm going to take it on one of these brushes. No, I do like that. I'm going to take Magic Carpet on a flat brush. It looks a bit funky now, but I'm going to clean that up a bit. And then I'm going to take whatever's left over and kind of bring it down this way. Looks crap now, but I'm going to clean that up. Okay, I'm going to go back in and put in, actually you know what I'm going to do? Go back in with Beast. Just to blend that. And then I'm going to go back in with Enchanted Rose. then I am going to take this brush and I'm going to go back in with Abu. You know the thing where you don't see anything happening until you've done eyeliner and everything? I think that's where this is going to happen. I'm going to take a mixture of those and kind of bring them from the dark and kind of up through the crease. So it's kind of a bit more of a cut crease, like a soft cut crease. So, Abu Beast Magic Carpet. I'm going to take a mixture, because I can't decide, a mixture of Ray and One Kiss. And then also on my finger, I'm taking Prince Charming. So now I'm taking my favourite eyeliner gel from INGLOT, 77. This is a fairly new one. The brush is also from INGLOT. And I'm just doing my winged eyeliner. I am going to put some mascara on now. So that, pretty people, is my finished look using the It's a Princess palette from Colourpop, their collaboration with Disney. Some great colours in there. Actually, I think I will use this palette a fair bit. So I will find a way to incorporate it's called Almost There into another look and put it on my Instagram at some point. But yeah, I really like this. I've gone for like a sort of rose, well, it's called Enchanted Rose, that's the main colour, and then I've put Ray and Prince Charming in the inner corner, and then I've put Beast to blend that, and then Magic Carpet is the darkest, and then put a mixture, and then the colours that I used, like, so Chip, Grumpy, Nabu, and then in through here is a mixture of Abu, Beast and Magic Carpet. So they worked out really well. But yeah, that is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day and stay classy, kids.